Hi, I'm Mario Gratnitzer and I'm a student in Dubai. So today what we did is learn about financial literacy, and we did it with Kfi Global program. And I think it's something very important for people, and especially young students like us, to learn, because it's something which we don't really learn in school in classes at all. We spend 7-8 hours a day learning in school. We don't learn anything that's really directly useful to how we spend our money, what we do with our money. And this is something that prepares you for all of that, which school doesn't.
Hello, my name is Judy Malkawi. I'm a student in Dubai, and today I partook in a program by Kfi Global for a financial literacy program. I'm very grateful to be partake in this program because I was able to learn a lot about how to manage my future and how to manage my money in my future and how to get myself out of bad situations. And thank you so much to Dubai Islamic Bank for this opportunity.
My name is Mohammed Ammar. I'm a student studying in Dubai in year 12. This program, delivered by Kfi Global program, helped me understand financial literacy, learning what financial responsibility is, what my needs are, what my wants are, etc. And I thank the sponsor, Dubai Islamic Bank.
Hello, I'm Mikael Moro Sabiaga, and I'm very thankful that today I was able to partake in the KFI Financial Literacy Program. It has been a really eye-opening experience for me as a STEM student who hasn't had such exposure to this topic. Special thank you to Dubai Islamic Bank for this experience.
I would also like to thank Dubai Islamic Bank.
I'd like to also thank Dubai Islamic Bank for sponsoring this program.